Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Orgie Intimus White is an intimate whitening cream, the ideal choice of product for those looking for an edgy approach to intimate care. Its formula contains 2% of the efficient skin clarifying active ingredient Sci-Fi White, combined with other rich ingredients such as Rosa moscata seed oil for its moisturizing properties. Intimus White delivers a lighter skin tone on the intimate areas in just a few weeks. And it also can help on hands and facial dark spots caused by aging or sun exposure. Orgie recommends daily use of Intimus White for better results, either in the morning or at night, and suggests testing a small amount of the product on the forearm before using it for the first time. Apply just the enough amount on the intended area with a brief, gentle massage. On facial applications, remember to avoid the area around the eyes. For a lighter skin tone on the intimate areas or to help attenuate hands or facial dark spots, rely on the effectiveness of Orgie Intimus White. Thanks for watching us, goodbye, and dare yourself.